Is your T-Mobile hotspot stuck on the welcome screen? This is a common issue, especially with devices like the Netgear Nighthawk M5. The freeze often happens during startup as the hotspot tries to connect to the network. The first thing to try is a simple reboot. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then unplug it for about 30 seconds before restarting. This clears temporary memory and can resolve many glitches. If a reboot doesn't work, move on to the next steps. If the welcome screen freeze persists, perform a soft reset via the hotspot's web interface, usually 192.168.0.1 or the T-Mobile app. This is a gentle reset that doesn't lose your data. If you're still stuck, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button, often a small pinhole on the device, and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. Remember, this will erase your settings and require resetup. To prevent future freezes, regularly update your firmware using the T-Mobile app or Netgear Genie software. This ensures your device has the latest fixes for stability. Also, avoid connecting too many devices to the hotspot and make sure it has good ventilation to prevent overheating, which can cause freezes. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance, as it could indicate a hardware issue or the need for a SIM card replacement.